Good morning, everyone. What's going on? So today, I got a little surprise for the shop. It's been a while. I've been looking to get one for the past couple years because it is kind of, let's say, humid and hot in there. But before we do that, let's make a nice cup of coffee. Alright, so I should clean this because if I don't, my wife is gonna kill me. And we don't want that, do we? So give me 1 second. Alright guys, so we're in the shop now. Gotta wait for my buddy Daska because he really hooked me up yesterday. I found this thing on Marketplace and it was a steal of a deal and I needed to have it, especially for the big office. So I'm gonna quickly clean and just wait till he comes so you guys can see what I picked up, well what he picked up, but what I found for this place. And my boy came to save the day. Oh shit, you know what, I'm gonna put this down.
To have it out of the box, you only have the cardboard support, so you can't pick anything up. So that was just standing. I couldn't pick it up at all.
Idiot. Right. Look at this guy with the big box of...
That's my tip for a job site.
Żywiec.
That's the tip.
That's the tip. Did she give you the tip or did he give you the tip?
The guy's wife on behalf of the husband gave me the tip. Actually, to be specific.
What we got?
Unboxing video. Costway.
Jesus.
The Costway ES10115CA/white.
Sick. Oh man. Okay.
Let's start it off. Alright. Okay, power. What do you want? Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Hell yeah. Mr. Accordion player. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go get beer. It's way too hot for this shit. Sick. Thank you.
Fucking hot.
It is. What does it say on my thing? It's 27 degrees in here. And upstairs it's probably even hotter.
Welcome to my house where there's no AC. We own a fucking AC.
Let's have a beer. Cheers to the AC and cheers to you for picking it up for me, bro.
Get the AC unit.
Alright guys, sorry about that. Dasko just left. We had a couple beers, just, you know, chill out, relax. I started setting up the AC unit that he brought for me. And let's see how I mounted it so far. So here's the choice of placement for this unit. That works, yeah. So what I did was, so we're only running the fan right now as it was tilted over in the car for quite some time, overnight I think. So I'm just letting it sit straight, just running just the fan. But this is how I mounted it so far. I actually drilled 2 little holes, one on the bottom and one up top. And I inserted riv nuts and I put in bolts just to hold this. So yeah, that's how that's looking so far. The second thing that I'm doing is I cut out a piece of 6mm polycarbonate that I had left over from the race car windshield. And I'll show you what I'm doing with that, because you guys will probably appreciate a little bit of automotive tuning in the house world. I measured and I cut out the plastic protective cover off this, and I'm going to paint all this black. So when it's installed in the window this way, it will be a nice clean black border around it. So So I'm gonna go on ahead and start spraying this now. I hope you guys approve of this. I'm not gonna video of me just spray painting a panel. It's kind of boring, so I'll be right back. So this is how it turned out. I ripped the plastic off, obviously. 10-minute job. I did scuff this, like the painted section, with 2000 grit, and then just laid in flat. But if you turn it over to this side, it's glossy and nice. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go upstairs, decide what way I want this to sit. Either this side on the inside or this side on the outside. So let's go do that right now. Alright, so let's start throwing some urethane onto these three edges. I'm wearing gloves because this stuff is nasty and it does not come off that easily, so alright guys, so it's mounted temporarily. The window's actually done. I finished that this morning. I'll give you guys a little glance on what I did. So I was running the unit in dehumidifying mode for a few hours, and all of a sudden it shut off saying that the tank is full. It's like, okay, must have a small capacity. I only drained maybe half a liter out, so I know it's not a lot. So I had to kind of quickly figure out a solution to keep it running for a lot longer, trying to pull out all the humidity out of the shop, which is getting a lot better. It's getting a lot better. Right now it's only at 50 versus it was almost 83 this morning. So yeah. So I got a Home Depot bucket, and initially I had the AC unit sitting on the floor with the bucket beside, but for some reason, even though I mounted the hose further down, for some reason it just didn't want to drain. It's like this was still not high enough, but this is 5-6 hours of dehumidifying and it's 1/3 of the bucket already, so it's working. So I'm gonna leave the bucket there for now, and I'm gonna make like a little stand for this bad boy. That's that with the unit. Now let's go to the somewhat of a race car window type of thing that I did there. Let's check it out. I think it turned out great besides the scrappy scratch, but what can you do, right? For a 25-minute window, I'm more than happy. I love it. And I love this thing. This thing is wicked. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Chap.Lab. I hope you guys enjoyed my little shop upgrade, we can say. A couple shop upgrades, the curtains and the portable AC unit that I got here. But yeah, soon there's going to be more content coming out with the FC. I'm just waiting for parts, but back orders, shipping, you know how it is, but we started getting some things. Not a lot, but it is what it is. You know what? I think maybe the next episode I should paint this. That'll be a very boring episode. Watch Pat paint walls. I don't know, if you guys want me to paint, put it down in the comments below. I'll do a little poll, and either we paint first or we build the firewood shed. You guys let me know what you want to see, and catch you on the next one.